Morning everyone. Hope you all are fit and fine students. Yes beta, today we will discuss active passive voice chapter number 7 taken from our practice book. Yes students, there are two ways of expressing an action by using a transitive verb. For example students, Sham wrote a letter. Then students, how can we change this? A letter was written by Sham. Students, these two sentences have the same meaning, but they are simply two different ways of saying the same thing. Now students, let's discuss about active voice. A verb is said to be in the active voice when the subject acts or performs the action. For example students, Ram writes a poem. Here students, Ram is subject and action is writing. A verb is said to be in the active voice when the subject acts or performs the action. Ram writes a poem. Now students, passive voice. A verb is said to be in the passive voice when the subject of the verb is acted upon, or we can say beta receives the action. For example beta, a poem is written by Ram. In active voice students, Ram writes a poem, and students in passive voice, a poem is written by Ram. Students, let's discuss some steps to change the voice. Yes beta, when a verb is changed from the active into the passive voice, the object of the active verb becomes the subject and vice versa. And students, pronouns are changed as under. For example students, I is changing to me, we is changing to us, you is changing to you, he is changing to him, and beta she is changing to her, and it is changed into it. And last one students, we can say they is changed into them. Now students, let's discuss these points one by one. When a verb is changed from the active into the passive voice, the object of the active verb becomes the subject. बेटा वो subject जो है, object जो है वो subject बन जाता है, and subject becomes object, and we can say it's vice versa. Now students, second point, change the verb into past participle. Means students, use third form of the verb. Okay, change the verb into past participle. Use third form of the verb. Yes students, let's discuss with the help of this table. In the present indefinite tense students, we use helping verb is, am, are plus third form of the verb. And students, in present continuous students, we use helping verb is, am, are plus being, being. Okay, is, am, are plus being plus third form of the verb. And students, in present perfect, we use helping verb beta has or have plus being plus third form of the verb. Now students, let's discuss about past indefinite. In past indefinite students, we use was verb plus third form of the verb. Then students, if it's past continuous students, then we use was verb plus being, being plus third form. And students, if it's perfect one, then had plus been plus third form. Now students, future one. In future tense students, in future indefinite, we use will or shall plus be plus third form. And students, in future perfect, we use will or shall plus have been plus third form of the verb. Next students, tense of the verb is not change. बेटा हमेशा remember याद रखना बेटा इस चीज़ को कि बेटा जब भी आप active voices को बेटा passive में convert करो, then बेटा tense of the verb is not change, only its form is change. Next students, fourth one, by is used with the agent of action when it helps to complete the sense. Okay, we use by. By is used with the agent of action. Now students, fifth point, Sometimes students a verb in the active voice takes two objects. बेटा कई बार क्या होता है active voice में बेटा two objects होते हैं. First one students we can say a direct one. Okay, we can say thing, and students indirect one we can say about a person. And then students in that case either of them, कि उनमें से बेटा आप कोई भी use कर सकते हो. Either of them may be used as a subject in the passive voice. For example students, Hari gave me a pen. Then how can we change this students into passive voice? I was given a pen by Hari. Or students we can say a pen was given to me by Hari. Both the sentences are correct here. Now students, next point, prepositions must not be left out. बेटा हमेशा ध्यान में रखना है कि बेटा जब भी आप एक्टिव पैसिव वॉइस कर रहे हो बेटा बीच में अगर कोई preposition आ जाए तो आप उसको छोड़ना नहीं है. ओके, prepositions must not be left out with verbs requiring them. For example students, we must look after the child. After is here preposition. We must look after the child. Now how can we change students into passive voice? The child must be looked after by us. Let's see students how to convert active into passive. Yes students, first sentence, Mohan repaired my car. It's active voice when students the subject performs a action, and students here the sentence structure is beta subject verb plus object. And students in passive voice students when beta an action is performed on the object by the subject. For example students, my car was repaired by Mohan. Here students the sentence structure is object plus V3 means verb की third form plus by and plus subject. Now students, let's discuss some more example to make it more clear. First one students, Lata sings lovely songs. Now how can we convert these students into passive voice? Lovely songs are sung by Lata. We did not grow rice. Rice was not grown by us. What do you want? What is wanted by you? They will run a race. A race will be run by them. Tom is building a house. It's present continuous sentence students. A house, it becomes object students. Is building is changed into is being built, and by Tom. A house is being built by Tom. I was writing a letter. A letter was being written by me. Then students, someone has stolen my purse. My purse has been stolen. Or students, we can say my purse has been stolen by someone. Both are correct students. She had finished her work. Her work had been finished by her. Now students, see subject. How to find out the subject? Person, place, thing or idea that is being discussed, described or dealt with, that is called subject. Okay, जिसके बारे में बेटा हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं, जिसके बारे में डील कर रहे हैं बेटा, जिसके that is called the subject here. For example students, Ram plays football. बेटा हम यहाँ किसके बारे में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? Ram. तो it's the subject here. Let's move on to the chapter number 7, passive voice, from our practice book students now. Worksheet number 1. Read the following sentences, identify the subject in each sentence and write it in the table below. Yes students, read the sentences carefully and then students try to identify the subject. And students, after that students write down it in the table given below. Okay students, try this worksheet yourself. Find out the subject students and write it in the table below. Okay students, that's all for today students. Thanks and have a nice day.